Hello everyone, today is another day, Saturday the 16th of February 2019. So today I'm gonna be doing an oil change in my car. I haven't done it for about 5 months. This is the first time I'm using Super Tech oil with a Fram oil filter, and of course I have my gunk engine degreaser and my STP oil treatment. This oil treatment helps you to reduce and protect your wear of your engine, and it reduces and lubricates moving engine parts. So it's a pretty good part. It's a pretty good option for you to use if you want to make your oil last a little longer. I got my oil pan ready and the car is already lifted, and of course it's e-brake and blocks in the back, and I have my 145 piece Stanley set tool just in case. Last time I did this oil change was on this is about there's about 182 miles, I think, or something like that. Yes, you could barely see it. It's right there. That's the oil filter from last time. So, talking about Super Tech oil, that's my first time using it. I've seen a lot of videos suggesting not to use it, but literally every oil now is the same thing, regardless of brand. As long as you have your certification on this oil is complete and requires and meets all the standards, you're good. You shouldn't worry about nothing. I got the high mileage full synthetic, so that's what I got right now. So let's continue on part 2.